Let us make a whitening mulatto soap and a super whitening mulatto soap at once. Now, but before we get right into the video, I want to encourage you with this Bible verse. Psalms 34 verse 19, it says, "Many are the affliction of the righteous, but the Lord deliver him out of them all." So for you to make this amazing soap, because we are making two soaps. So get your soaps, your Kojic Sand soap, then get your white secret soap, your extract soap, lemon, and then your Terminator carrot soap. All the soaps you're seeing on your screen, those are the soaps you get. Remove them from the pack as you see me removing them one by one. Just make sure you get the original. If you are in my group, you're free to come there and ask me to show you how the original looks like. That's why it's important to join our training, because mentorship is free. So that particular soap that is round and has different colors, that's the Terminator soap, the carrot Terminator soap. That's how it looks like. So can you see the soaps? Yes. When you get them, you grade them, which I'm gonna be doing off camera. Remember, we are making a whitening soap and a super whitening soap at once. Now, one thing you need to note about these soaps is that there are a lot of fake out there, so you got to be careful which one you're getting. After you grate the soap, you add your soap activator. Any soap activator of your choice. You can make yours yourself, or you can buy from anywhere they sell skincare raw material. So add your soap activator. Don't ask me the quantity. Add it according to the consistency you want your soap to be. Do you want it to be more pasty? Do you want it to be more hard? Do you want it to, I don't know, just add how you want the liquid to be. But I always advise people to add some more from the beginning. When they are done, when they are mixing, they cannot add it, in case they shouldn't make mistake and end up with a very watery soap. Now you add your K Brothers shower gel. So that is the one I'm adding. We know it comes in 3 types, so add whichever one you wanna add. It is very thick, and very thick. K Brother shower gel is very thick. Then add your Abutine serum. It's not in its original container. I turn it into this plastic container because I had to transport it from home, so to minimize breakage. Also add your Gluta C. It is at where not in its original container, but we all know Gluta C, right? We all know Gluta C. Add your skin-free milk, which is also not in its original container. I transport all these from my home, and most of the products, this active, you see, they come in glass containers, which is quite heavy and also susceptible to breakage. Add your DOP shampoo. Like you see the shampoo, it cleanses the skin so well. That's why it's always advisable to add into your mulatto soap. That is why mulatto soap is not for sensitive skin. Okay, if you have a sensitive skin, you will love to avoid mulatto soap, because mulatto soap is somehow harsh for those that have sensitive skin. Once you're done adding your actives, go ahead and stir to make sure that everything incorporates uniformly. Then cover and stand it for about 3 days. If you're in the haze, blend immediately. So after about 3 days, go in with your very strong mixer and you mix it into a smooth paste. Make sure it is smooth. So I tested it and there were no lumps at all. Now go ahead, take the pH of your soap and bottle your whitening soap. Remember, we are making 2 soaps, so you start by bottling your whitening soaps. Yes, somebody who has a sensitive skin can manage it like this, but not too sensitive, right? Bottle it and keep. Always do a patch test to see if it's good for you. Once you are done, you add your active plus. We are now making a super whitening mulatto soap, in other words, half cast mulatto soap. You have bottled your whitening soap. Now we are making our half cast soap, which is also known super whitening, right? Also known as. Now go ahead and bottle your super whitening mulatto soap. Now you have made 2 soaps, your whitening soap and your half cast soap, also known as super whitening. See, You see this training you're seeing on your screen, make sure you enroll into this training because it has details video. On this channel we do skincare products review, skincare product formulation, both organic and pro mixing. We also train. If you enroll into our training, mentorship is free. You will never regret enrolling into our training. We do create your logo for you for free. We guide you, answer your question at any time. In fact, we have a group where all our students are there. We interact as skincare formulators, helping ourselves and growing together. Like, do well to subscribe, like, and also share. In case you want us to make any video, let us know. Also go through our previous videos, watch them, and trust me, you're gonna meet videos that will turn your business around or help you with that skin challenge. Make sure you enroll into our training. Thank you and see you in our next video.